like videos like these, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I can do more makeup tutorials, because I have a bunch of other looks. This is just like my go-to. Leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe. Hey, what's up guys? So let's just get straight into the tutorial. The primer I'm going to be using is Master Prime by Maybelline. There you go. Y'all, I forgot to wipe the camera, so it looks terrible, but I'll fix it later on, so just hang in there. I'm basically just going to be putting this all over my face to give me a nice little base. And excuse my breaking out. My skin has been a mess. I figured out what was wrong with my skin. So right before I made the video, I washed my face and I was like scrubbing. And I was using a toner and like rubbing my face really hard. So that is why my face looks so red. Because clearly, it's not actually like that. Comment down below if you have sensitive skin too and how aggravating it could be. Okay then. I first start off with brows. I'm gonna grab this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the color taupe. I'm just filling in all the parts that need to look a little darker. Like the middle of my brow is already pretty dark, so I don't really feel that part in. Like the front of my brow, the end of my brow, I fill that in. I'm gonna move on to concealing them and cleaning them up. So I use the concealer Maybelline It's the Age Rewind. I pop this out and grab a little angled brush. Why does the camera still look smudgy? Okay, so I grab a little angled brush, twist the little thing, and get some off so that it's covered in concealer. And then I just start filling, well not filling in, cleaning up.
Made this.
Do the other side of like the underside of my brow next before I like go in and conceal the whole brow, you know? Alright. Start doing like the middle and stuff. But one of my eyebrows is longer than the other one, and it bothers me. It really bothers me. Not bad. Should I go coffee? Hold on. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna get some concealer. I'm gonna get some concealer and like put it on my finger and like And I'm gonna rub it on the parts of my face that have like bumps or something that just need to be concealed. Well, not rub it, I'm gonna dab it on. Cause every time I try and blend it out, it looks like I didn't put any concealer. So I'm gonna just dab it on. Any red marks or pimples or whatever. I'm turning into a ghost with all this concealer. It's okay, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Now I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 235, and I like to use a little sponge inside because it just covers all of this good.
Already made this.
See, I don't really conceal below my eyes because my dark, like I don't really get bad dark circles, so I don't really care. Maybe I just put like a little bit of powder underneath, but that's really about it. I need to get close to my brow, so I'm gonna take the other end of that brow pencil and just like put some of this on it and dab that right by my eyebrows because the area around it is like really white. I don't want that. I'm actually so proud of myself right now because my eyebrows look good on the first try, and normally that doesn't really happen. So, and I have like this DIY, what's it even called, serum that I've been using on my brows and eyebrows. Not brows and eyebrows, my lashes and eyebrows, and it's been working really good. I never seen them really grow as much as they're growing right now. And if your face is clearer than mine was today, oh gosh, it was a mess, then of course you don't have to put on that much concealer, but it's just because my face was so red and all that jazz. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of the NYX finishing powder, but since it's like white and I don't want to like white my face up again, I'm gonna put it in a pan. Stop being white.
House white.
Stop looking so white. Okay, I'm gonna like put it in a pan a little bit and like tap it off, just so there's not a lot on the brush. I'm just gonna like put it in my oily places, so like forehead, cheeks, chin. Another thing too with like this powder, not the NYX one, the Maybelline, I think it's called like a powder foundation, but I love using it in the summertime, especially because I just get so oily. So if you have oily skin and you like still want like coverage, try using a powder. It'll probably work for you. But this stuff is so bright. Can you like calm down? Thank you. Oh, I like this lip balm too. The Burt's Bees Peppermint. I love that. Forgot to moisturize my lip. Alright, I'm gonna grab this Maybelline. I have a lot of Maybelline stuff. I never realized this. Maybelline, the Falsies mascara. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm telling y'all, it's that serum. Make them so long. And also what helps is not wearing mascara every day, even though I'm putting on mascara right now. But not wearing it every day, like faithfully, really helps grow them out. And I know I'm getting mascara like all right here, but I'll clean it up. Look at that difference. Ooh. So like after I do that, I take like this empty tube of mascara, and I just want the wand really. The wand looks like this. And I just take it and make sure I have no clumps in my lashes. Yeah, I'm just going to do that to the other side now. And I'm looking into the camera right now, and I see that this powder is, well, the concealer is kind of not blending into my hairline. So let me fix that real quick. Now I'm gonna spray on this setting spray. It's called City Color All Set Setting Spray. It's a little setting spray. I'm gonna spray it on. Just to lock everything in. The very last thing I'm gonna do is like just put on some gloss. I don't even know where this is from. I just know it was a part of a Christmas gift, and it was like just a little set of lip glosses. But I'm gonna put some on. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Why'd it get blue on me? That's how everything looks. I really like this like makeup look. Like it's just so cool and natural. It's not doing too much, you know. It's just like my go-to, like every day, even though I don't do it every day. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Like this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.